Want your AI voiceovers to sound polished and professional? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create professional voiceovers with Murf AI in 2026, from writing a strong script to exporting audio that's ready for your projects. Start by signing into your Murf AI account and creating a new project. Once you're in the editor, you'll have everything you need to write, edit, and generate your AI voiceover. Before choosing a voice, make sure your script is clear and easy to follow. Use short sentences, natural wording, and proper punctuation. Breaking your script into smaller paragraphs or scenes also helps create smoother narration. Next, browse the available AI voices and choose one that matches your content. Consider the language, accent, speaking style, and tone. Always preview a few different voices before deciding on the best fit. To make your narration sound more professional, adjust the available voice settings. Depending on the selected voice, you may be able to change the speaking speed, add pauses, improve pronunciation, or emphasize certain words. Small refinements often make a big difference. Generate a preview and listen from beginning to end before exporting. So, pay attention to pacing, clarity, and consistency. Once you're satisfied with the result, export the audio if your subscription includes downloads. That's how you create professional voiceovers with Murf AI in 2026. By combining a well-written script, the right AI voice, and a few careful adjustments, you can produce high-quality narration for videos, presentations, podcasts, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.